What's up, amigos? Wouldn't you love to do yoga in this unit? Well, now you can. I'm doing an open house today at Corona del Mar. As you can see, it's beautiful. And I have 3 condos available. So you gotta come check it out. Sure to come out. I'll be here till 6 today's Sunday, and I'd love to chat with you about what it is to buy in Mexico. Amigos, no se la pierdan. Tengo 3 condominios, uno en cada piso en este hermoso lugar. Me encantaría conocerlos y enseñarles los condominios, aparte pues a cotorrear un poquito. Estaré aquí hasta las 6.